What's up, everyone? Welcome to the I'm Just Looking podcast. It's sunny as hell here, so don't mind the sun shining through the windows, and I'm squinting like crazy. But before I introduce this guy right here, I just wanted to talk about January, which is over. Now we're here in February. I don't think any morning, if you can remember, that was more than 5 degrees out. It was -12, -14 all month of January.
Zero today.
Yeah, 0 today. And then we had that massive snowstorm that kind of shut us down for 4 or 5 days, which was kind of crazy. So thank God January's over. We're into February, which is a short month typically, but we actually have 4 full weeks, which is very unusual. So we have 4 full working weeks, which is crazy. So that helps us out for February, but we're all just hoping March gets here sooner rather than later. So screw that groundhog or whatever that thing is. It tells us about, winter's extended. He's a jerk. Yeah. I think we should just cook him. Kidding, everyone. I love him.
I kind of like that idea.
Yeah, I love it too. Anyway, this guy over here, this is PJ. Welcome, PJ. PJ is our new service manager here at Auto Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. And we've worked together for a little while, but here, obviously you just started, but prior to this, so we would like to welcome you to the team.
Thank you.
And to the
Welcome
podcast, right?
Yep.
So he has his own podcast.
Yep.
Fit Dad
Life
1 on Insta and all the social
TikTok,
medias.
YouTube, all the fun stuff.
Follow him out. It's pretty funny, pretty good stuff.
Yep.
So I'm trying to get him to, hook me up with some of these things that he reviews. So
Supplements, we get the kids involved. We just have a good time, have fun with it.
Yeah. The other day, just real quick funny story. The other day, I'm sitting in his office just talking about, service stuff, professional business. And he pulls out one of those round, what are those styrofoam things called? The Rice Krispie treats. They start.
No, the rice cakes.
Rice cakes.
Rice cakes.
Don't get it wrong. Start spreading peanut butter and what was on it? Cinnamon or something.
Seasoning
something. I don't know.
For seasoning.
It looked horrific. I don't know.
It was amazing.
But I go in his office and there's rice cakes in there. But you come into my office here, you get one of these things. Big thing of candy. I even got backup bags of candy.
Hot negative.
So if you go to his office, you get rice cakes. You go into my office, you get candy.
Yep, and energy drinks.
We got energy drinks. PJ, why don't you just tell us a little about yourself? Home life, family life, and then obviously your time in the car business.
Yep. Started when I was 16, detailing, kind of rose the ranks, did collision, did mechanical. Local guy. I'm from Schaghticoke, New York, so short, quick ride right up here. Was a mechanic for years, then went into management, and then, like I said, I went to the collision side to learn that aspect of things, and then kind of went back to the fixed op side and found Mike on his podcast. I said, wait a minute, you're right up the road from me. You want to work together again? And lo and behold,
Here we are.
All
right, guys, I'm back up. I took a break. You'll see a little pause situation. This mic fell off because I guess my fat belly with the candy in it knocked the mic off.
What happens?
What are you going to do? So we're back working together. I'm excited for it. By far, PJ is the best service manager I've ever worked with, and I think by far in the industry. No offense to anybody else that I work with at all. Don't get pissed off at me. Just him and I work really well together, and I think it's important. It works just like a sports team. When you have coaches working together well, you tend to do better. He's already thinking what I'm thinking and vice versa. So I think, and I can't wait for the future together here at the dealership.
You think that was the problem with the Eagles this year?
Unfortunately, we both are Eagles fans. Not unfortunately, we love our Eagles. Jeff Lurie, send us some tickets, huh?
Yeah, right.
But unfortunately, the coaches didn't get along with the Philadelphia Eagles and the players, so that's why they look like crap this year.
Terrible.
Unfortunately.
I don't talk about it.
Big things to come for that.
Hopefully.
So anyway, PJ, let's get down to it, right? Let's talk a little bit about service. Overall, what is your job? What do you do exactly?
Just make you guys feel at home when you come in and feel like it's a comfortable place to have your car serviced, and come here more often. And just like I said, feel comfortable coming in the door and leaving at the same time, and feel comfortable that your car is fixed right the first time.
I always say there's such a big difference between the front of the house and the back of the house, sort of like a restaurant, Sales people are spending, 20, 30, 40, 50, I mean, it could be $100,000 on cars or up.
Yep.
And people are happy as hell to spend that type of money and leave here excited and put their face on social media and all those things. But they go into service and they spend $200 to get a tire rotation, and they're pissed off. They can't take it. So that's a very difficult
tire rotation.
I'm making it up. I don't really know. So, but they get pissed off, right? Because that department is by far, I think, one of the most difficult departments in the dealership, one of. And you know, again, you're making people spend money that they don't really want to spend, you know. But
Yeah.
at the end of the day, these things are machines. They do break. They do have service that you need to maintain, and you know, nobody wants to do that. I certainly don't. I know I have
Yeah.
to get my inspection, my oil change, my tire rotations today. I don't want to do that. I actually, my inspection's expired. So cops, please, you know, give me a break.
Mhm.
I'm sorry.
There's a few of
I
them mine.
forgot. I forgot to get it inspected. My bad. So one of the things I want to ask, and I always think this thing: what is the most common routine service that most people, when they come to schedule an appointment, that they always decline? So you know, whether it be oil changes or whatever, what do you feel like one of the most common one are that people don't want to spend the money on?
Your regular maintenance. Your car comes with a maintenance schedule. Sticking to that regular maintenance schedule to make sure you're ahead of it and doing the preventative maintenance, other than just the oil changes and tire rotations, like the basics. Doing some of your fluids, your spark plugs when they're due. All that is really important to keep that car running. I have my own vehicle with well over 100,000 miles, and I've stuck to it to a T, and I've had zero issues other than your normal standard wear and tear items.
Yeah, I mean, nobody wants to replace their cabin air filter, right? Nobody even knows what that is. They never see it unless the mechanic brings it out and shows you how dirty it is. I mean, mine's got to be plug solid for sure because I smoke cigars and smoke inside my truck. I don't.
You know,
It probably doesn't even exist.
disintegrated.
Yeah, it's gone by now. But you know, those things are important. There's reasons for it. They don't just put them in there because you know why not. You know, everything has a reason for it. And at the
Correct.
end of the day, these things are machines. If they're not lubed up, if they're not maintained, they're gonna break. Can they break otherwise? Well, yeah, it's the same thing with your health, right? Your health could you could be a fitness of health or not a fitness of health, like this guy.
I break
I,
all the time.
both of us could break differently. So it's the same thing with your car. Maintain it. But guys, do me a favor. Be patient when you come in for service. Don't give these guys a hard time because they do have one of the toughest jobs. And they're not trying to make up things that you don't need for your car. They're things that you need to do. You know, maintain your car and take care of it there.
I don't think they're gonna get mad when they see me anyways. I always tell people
Never,
I never have a
never.
bad day
If you
ever
want to,
in my life.
yeah, and if you want a rice cake, he's got them.
Yeah,
Little
peanut butter,
spreads,
yeah,
some sort of red shit that was on it. I don't know what that is,
protein
but
bars.
you know, he'll give you some if you want it.
I'll hook you up. I'm gonna get a bowl just for protein snacks for you people.
There you go. Not here. So, guys, do me a favor. Follow Fit Dad Life 1 on all the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all those things. And make sure you follow I'm Just Looking Podcast on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, which I'm getting very good at, YouTube,
I'll teach you some.
Spotify, all those other sites. We need some more follows, and more likes to our content there. So until next time, guys, we'll talk to you soon.